So a couple months ago, I came across this hashtag on Instagram. And I thought it was a fun idea, and I saw a lot of cool artwork on there. So naturally, I wanted to do one of my own. So that was my faux mural. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope some of you start drawing your own faux murals. It'd be really cool to see that hashtag blow up on Instagram. I'm surprised at how few people are using it right now. If you have a minute, check out my website, jeffclausen.com. I have some fun stuff on there like original paintings, limited prints, handmade wallets, some sticker packs. So if you have a minute, please go check it out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.